Hello everyone, this is C Programming Language video series. In last video we have seen if-else statement theory concept, but we did not see live demo. In this video we will see live demo of if statements, if-else statement, nested if-else statement. So first we see live demo of if statement. So we write program here has include sorry studio.h void main. This is curly braces open. Int age. We have take one variable as integer type and assign value to age 15. Here if age less than 18, then printf person is minor. We use getCH for see the output properly. Okay, so we run the program. First of all we compile the program. So there is one error. Getch function should have prototype. Okay, so we use some another header file for support getch function as include conio.h. Okay, now we compile this program. Okay, so there is 00 warning and 00 errors. Now we will run alt control plus F9. Okay, so person is minor because we assign age equal to 15. So here if check the condition, age contain 15 values, so 15 less than 18, it means condition is true. So condition is true, so this printf function will be executed. So printf person is minor. Okay, so this is simple if statement program, and we use getch function to see the output screen. Getch function is mainly function is that to receive a character. Okay, so we will save this program. So we go to the in file and click on save, and here we save the program. If statement dot c. Okay, we press OK button. So here this name shows of this program if statement. Okay, so let's we move to new program, new demo, new. So here we write program of if else condition. Here has include teststudio.h. We write different header file as include conio.h. We write void main program, sorry, void main function. We open the body of the program. Here we declare variables integer a and b. So we assign values to a and b. We assign 15 to a and b equal to 20. Okay. So we assign values to a and b. Here we use if a greater than b. So here we check a greater than b and print if a greater than b. So we print a, print as %d a, or we can, okay, here we can write message like a is greater. So we understand clearly greater than b. Okay. So this if part completed. Now we use else part. Here we write second condition, printf b is greater than a. Okay. So b close this curly bracket. We also close the main function curly braces. Okay. So we compile this program. Okay, there is no error, no warning. So we run the program. Okay. So b is greater than a. So the person is minor is that this is the old output. So we write here clear screen. Okay. We again run the program. Okay, b is greater than a. So here this else part executed. B is greater than a. So here first of all we check condition here if a greater than b. So in a contain 15 values, store 15 values and b store 20 values. So 15 greater than 20. So this condition is false. So this condition is false means if condition is false, so the control switch to the else part and this statement will be executed. If this condition true, then this part will be executed. So here a is 15 and b is 20. Now we change the value here. Suppose we take value here 25 and we take b equal to 20. Now here 25 greater than 20. So this condition is true. So this part will be executed A greater than B. Okay. We once again compile the program again. Alt plus F9. Okay. Now run the program by keyboard Control plus F9. Okay. So A greater than B. Okay. So understand the logic of the program. Okay. If if this condition is true, so this if part will be executed, and if condition is false, then the control switch to the else part, and else part statement will be executed. Okay, so this is program of if else statement, and you can write comment on the top to describe about the program. So how to write the comment? This program of if else statement. Okay, so why we write comment? Because comment describe about the program. Any unknown person or any programmer can easily understand about the program. So you can write program anywhere in program. So you can write also here. Suppose if A greater than B, so you can write comment here. Comment here we can also write in this form double forward slash, and here check the condition. We write here check the condition. Okay, this comment is also allowed in Turbo C++ compiler, and here also you can write the comment. So you can write anywhere. Suppose this form also you can use print the message. Okay, okay. So you can write comment anywhere. This form is valid, and this form is also valid. Okay, again we check this program is right or wrong. So again we compile the program. Okay, so there is no warning, no error. It means our comment, we have write the comment, this is valid comment. We again run the program. Alt Control plus F9. Okay, so A greater than B. Okay, now we will save this program. So we go to the file and click on the save, and here we write if else dot c and press OK button. So here the name is if else dot c. So we move to the next program, nested if else. So we open new file. We write the header file has include studio.h. The second header file has include conio.h. We write main function and open the curly braces of main body. Okay, here we declare some variables like integer type a, b, and c. Okay, Here we print some message, printf, enter three values. So here this is simple message to enter three values. Here we scan means we store three values. Scan, so we use a scanf function, %d, %d, %d. We use 3% d because we enter three values. We store three values. Ampersand a, ampersand b, ampersand c. So here we check if a greater than b. If a greater than c. Printf a is the greatest number. A is the greatest number. Okay, so this message will print a is the greatest number. Here is the close this curly braces open, and here is the close, and we write else part, else we open the body of else part. Here write the message printf c is the greatest. C is the greatest. Okay, so we close the curly braces, this else part. Here this if and else part completed, and we write else part of this if. Okay, else else if b greater than c, print the message printf b is greatest number. Okay, here we also write c is greatest number. Okay, close the body, and again else open the body and write the message printf c is the greatest. C is the greatest number. Okay, so we close the if part. Here so we close this curly braces, and this curly braces to close this, and this one is this, and here we close this one, this this is braces. Okay, and we also close the main curly braces. Okay, so here we write the program, and we also use clear screen, and for clear screen CLRSCR, and also use getch function. We use getch function in main function. Okay, before closing this is okay. Now we will compile this program. So alt we compile by using keyboard alt plus F9. Okay, so there is some errors. Misplace else. Misplace else. Here is some error. Else. Okay. We check the program. Misplace else. Some curly braces problem. Here we check. Here if A greater than B. Here we open the again if A greater than C. Open the curly braces. Here is a close. This is the else part, and open and close here. Okay, here. Okay, this curly bracket close, and this part curly bracket braces should be closed here. Okay, this if open and close curly braces, this else part also open and close curly braces, and here we forget to close here if, and here is the close of curly braces. Okay, and we write else here, and here write else, and if part here B greater than C, so where we open and close. Okay, and here is else printf. Okay, so here we take 2. Okay, now we again, first of all we save this program. We go to the file and save. Here we write compare 3 numbers dot c. Compare 3 numbers dot c. Okay, okay, here we save. Now we will compile. Alt plus F9. Okay, one error. Compound statement missing. Okay, in 33 line. Okay, compound missing here. Some another bracket we forget. Okay, here. Again we compile. Okay, there is no error, no warning. We compile and we run this program. Okay, enter 3 values. So we give 3 values, suppose 40, 20 and 60, and we enter. So C is greatest because 40, 20 and 60. So we understand the logic 40, 20 and 60. Okay. So here we give 40, 20 and 60. So 40 value is stored in A and 20 value is stored in B and the 60 value is stored in C. So here, okay, so printf, enter three values. So here, first of all, the first of all, the enter three values message print on the screen, and we give three values. So here we give three values. So we use 3%d because we use three integer values. So %d represent integer type of values. Okay. So here the a value is stored in a variable and b value is stored in b variable and c is stored in c variable. Here ampersand represent the address. It means we give some values by keywords. So a store some value. Suppose 20 value is stored in a. So in memory there is some address, means the 20 value will store in memory location. So here ampersand represent the address of the value. So here ampersand should be used because when we call the a, so the a value retrieve, means the a store in a particular address in the memory. So the when we call a, so the a value retrieve from a particular address. Okay, so this is the logic to use ampersand with variable in scanf function. Okay, so similarly we use in b and c with ampersand. So here we store three values, and here in if we check first a greater than b. Here is three variables. So first we check a greater than b and again check a with c, means a greater than c. So we check b and c with a. Okay. If a greater than b and a greater than c, so print a is the greatest number. So if this condition is true and this if condition is true, so this part will be executed, a greater than c. Suppose this condition is false, if a greater than c, so the else part will be executed. Suppose the if condition is true and if condition is false, so the else part will be executed, c is greater. Suppose this if is also false, so the control pass to the else part in this else part, and here check b greater than c. So here we check uh, b with c. Okay, and again here if this part is true, then the printf b is greatest number, so this part will be executed. Suppose this if condition is false, so this part move in else part, and this message or this statement will be print, so c is the greatest number. Okay, so again we compile the program, and here is the some small is the star means this program we we make some modification in this program, so the star appear. So we again save this program, so the star here will be disappear. Okay, we again click on the save. Okay, so the star appear. So we again compile the program and run the program. Okay, so we enter values. Suppose 200, 560 and 370. Okay, so B is greatest because A stored 200 values and B stored 560 values and C stored 370 values. Okay, so this is complete program of if else. Now we move to the next program for nested if else. This is nested if else. We move to the program in for arithmetic operation. So we open new here. We write header file once again in has include studio.h has include conio.h. We write main function void main. Sorry, we open the curly braces and we write integer values a, b, add, subtract, multiply. We take three values. We take a, b, add, subtract, multiply, data integer data type, and we take division or divide as float type because the divide value may be fractional part or in decimal divide. Okay, so we print simple message here, printf enter two integer values. So here this message will print simple enter two integer values. So we scan two values by using scanf function. So we write here scanf two. We use two values, so we use 2% percent d ampersand a and ampersand b. So we store two values a and b. Now we write logic add equal to a plus b. Okay, so we write logic for addition of two values and store in add variable. Okay, so similar we write for subtraction means subtract equal to a minus b. Similar we write for multiplication multiply. So we write here we write same name we use in as a declare part. So we write here multiply. We also here write multiply equal to a multiply b because we not use for no multiplication because here we declare as a multiply, so we should use uh, similar as we declare, so we use multiply a multiply b. Here we divide equal to a divided by b. Here we write logics of the programs and here we printf addition of the number addition of the numbers equal to %d slash n. We use slash n for new line slash n add. Here this message will print addition of two numbers at addition of the numbers, and here %d means the value will print of add. So similar we print the for subtract and multiplication. So we copy here. How to copy? We select here and we go to the in added part and we click on the copy. Okay, here we paste the copy part. Okay, so here we changes here subtract subtract. Okay, so we again paste here for multiply. So we go to the in added part and paste. So here we write multiply. Okay, again we paste one more time for divide. D-I-D. Okay, so we print here and we also use getch function, and here we close the curly braces of main function. Okay, now we will compile this program. First of all, we save this program. We go to in file and here save. Because this is the path of the C program, so here we cannot disturb this setting, so we just remove from here and we write the program arithmetic operation dot C. So this program name is arithmetic operation. Okay, arithmetic operation. Okay, we will compile this program. Here one error, multiply. Here some problem is there, multiply means undefined symbol. Okay, here some problem is that multiply. Okay, this is the some spelling mistake. We forget MUL. Okay, so here the here uh, the multiply the controller not detect this variable, because this variable here we write here different, so this variable not match uh, in starting multiply. Okay, so we again save this program. Okay, we compile the program. Here there is no warning, no error. We compile the program. Okay, here B is greatest numbers. This is the old message or old program message. So we enter two values here. Suppose we enter 35 and 55. Okay, here message print here addition of the number 90, addition of the number 35 minus 55 minus 20, and here is the some problem. Here we write the message addition. So we should make some changes. Okay. So here we should write here the subtraction. Subtraction. Because in printf function print the same message. Subtraction. Here is the multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. Here we write division. Okay. So same message will print. Here we also use clear screen. CLRSCR. Okay. So we have completed this program. We once again compile the program. After we save and compile the program. Okay, one error. Declaration is not allowed here. Float. Okay. One error. CLRSCR. Because we declare on long place. Okay. Declaration is not allowed here. What is the problem? We should not use. Okay. So we declare here CLRSCR. Here is something error. Okay. We save again and then compile. Okay. This message shows override this program. Okay. Okay. There is no warning no error. Enter two integer values. Here we give 30 and 10. So here this is the complete output. Addition of the numbers 30 plus 10 equal to 40. Subtraction of the number 30 minus 10 equal to 20. And the multiplication of the numbers 30 into 10 equal to 300. Division of the number equal to 30 divided by 10 equal to, here it is must be 3. Here is the some problem in division. Okay. Divide A divided by 30. Okay. 30 times. Okay. So the division is the greatest. B is the greatest value and A is the smallest. Is the division value is 0. Okay. One more time we run. 60 and 10. Okay. 60 is 10. A divided by 10. So here is some problem in division. Divide. Okay, we take here percent d. We should declare here float type because the percent d print integer type value, not fractional value. Here we take percent d, so we replace percent d with percent f. Okay, we again save this program and compile. Okay, and run. Okay, we once again give some value 60 and 10. Okay, so here is the division output is correct. 60 divided by 10, here is the 6.00. Okay, okay, Mm. So here this program is completed. So we open it here. We open new file. One more program we will write here of of if else if ladder. So here we write a program else if ladder. So has include studio dot h has include conio dot h. Okay. Void main. We open curly braces of our main function. So here we declare a variable as integer type and we print simple message enter a number. So we print simple message to print enter a number. So here ask for enter any value. So we enter a value and we scan this value, means we store this value percent %d a. So we ampersand a. Okay. So here we store value of a by using keyboard. We give value by using keyboard. So the a value store in a variable. Okay. Here we write some condition. If a divided by 5 equal to 0 and a divided by 8 equal to 0 and we print some message printf divisible by both 5 and 8. Okay, so here is a simple message to print this number. Suppose we enter some values and here the value will check a divided by 5 and get 0 and this is the logical operator AND. So we can say we can say logical AND. So in logical AND both conditions should be true. In this if part both condition will be true. If both condition will be true, so this statement will be executed. If suppose this condition is true and this condition is false, this statement not true, not execute. Okay, so uh, in logical operator, both condition should be true. Here we check one more condition, else if a divided by 8. Here we check separate 8 and 5. We check here and print. Here we copy this message, we copy this message and paste here. Here divisible by 5. Okay. Here we check divisible by 8. Here we again check by 5. Here some wrong print. Here we should use here 8 because we check by 8. Here we check 5. Else if A divide by 5 and get 0 0 0. So the message should print okay. So here divisible by 5 only. Okay, right. And we close the this if else part and we write here else part of if part and write message this is the if else part. Okay, we write some message here. Okay, here we write message divisible by none. This is by default message. Here we close this else part. Here we close main. Okay, this is complete. Here we also write CLRFCL for clear screen, and here we also write for get ch. Okay. Now we will save this program. Save. This is else if ladder. Else if ladder dot c. Okay. So we save this program. We compile this program. Okay, there is no error, no warning. Control plus we run the program. Okay, so we give some numbers. Suppose we give number 80. Okay, here the message is shows divisible by both 5 and 8 because the 80 number divisible by 5 and 8. Okay, completely divisible. Okay, One more time we run. Suppose we give 70 divisible by 5, because this 70 divisible by only 5. Okay, once again we run. We give 24 value. The 24 value divisible by only 8. One more time we give suppose 89. So divisible by none. So because the 89 value not divisible by 5 and 8. So this is by default message. This 89 value not divisible by any number. So you have understand all logics, because I have explained each and everything of each program. Here one more time we also explain here. This program In this program we take integer type value a, and here this clear screen function used to clear the screen. Here we take printf function to print the simple message, enter a number. Scanf function uh, stores a value, and here we check a divisible by 5, and this is logical and a divisible by 8. So if both condition will be true, this statement will be executed. If one condition is true and one condition false, this statement will not execute. Okay. If this condition is false, so the control move to the else if part and check here this number is divisible by 8. If this condition is true, so this statement will be executed. Suppose else if this statement is this condition is false, the control move to the else if part. Here check the this condition is true. If this condition is true, so this message will be printed. If this condition also false, so control move to the else part, and the this by default message will be printed. Okay, and get ch function used to hold the output screen, because get ch take any character from the keyboard. Okay, so I hope you understand logics of all programs in deeply. If you have any doubt or any query related to programs in this live demo, so you can write comments, and you can write also suggestions or any queries if you want to any demo program on any topic, so you can write in comment box. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So we exit this by using the quit.